How to make a Victoria sponge cake. Here is the ingredients you will need. 4 eggs, 200 grams of sugar, 200 grams of self-raising flour, vanilla essence, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 200 grams of baking butter, jam, a drop of milk and icing sugar. This is the equipment you will need: a mixing bowl, a sieve, a whisk or an electric whisk, oven gloves, baking paper, 2 cake trays and a knife and a spoon. You will also need some weighing scales. The first thing we must do before doing any cooking is wash our hands. Rinse your hands in warm water, turn the tap off, squeeze on some soap and wash your hands for 2 happy birthday songs. Once you have done this, rinse the soap away with warm water and dry your hands using a towel or tissue paper. First, turn on your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Next, measure out 200 grams of caster sugar. Watch the numbers go up. When it gets to 200, tell me to stop. Whoops, I put too much sugar in. Use a spoon to remove any sugar you do not need. There we go, 200 grams of sugar. Now pour the sugar into the mixing bowl. Then measure out 200 grams of baking butter and add it to the mixing bowl with the sugar. After, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 tablespoon of milk. Next, using your whisk or electric whisk, mix all those ingredients together. After that, measure out 200 grams of self-raising flour. Now you need to pour some of the flour into the sieve to sieve it into the bowl. After, use your whisk to mix it together. Next, with the help from an adult, crack 1 egg into the bowl and use your mixer to mix it together. Repeat the last 2 steps. Add some flour to the sieve, sieve it into the bowl and mix it up. Then, add another egg and mix it together. Do this until you have used all of the flour and added 4 eggs. There shouldn't be any lumps or bumps in the mixture, and it should easily drop off your spoon. Once you've mixed it all together, add a few drops of vanilla essence. Now mix this in with your mixture. Now your cake mixture is ready. Put a piece of butter onto a baking paper and spread it round your 2 baking trays. This will stop the cake sticking to the tray when it is cooked. Next, divide the mixture between 2 tins. Now smooth the surface with a knife or the back of a spoon. Now an adult can place the baking trays into the oven. Bake for 20 minutes until they are golden. Now it's time to clean up the mess. Once the cake is golden and the mixture is cooked, turn the oven off and ask an adult to take them out the oven using an oven glove. Now we need to let the cake cool down. You need to remove the cake from the baking tray very carefully. Once the cakes have cooled down, you can add jam to one side of the cake. Sandwich the second sponge cake on top and use the sieve to sieve on some icing sugar. Finally, enjoy your cake!